Hello, hi, and welcome to the strategy training video on priceflip. My name is Michael, I'm from Traders Elite, and today I'm going to cover some cool information that we're really excited to share with you. This is a no hype video, and afterwards you're welcome to download the indicator and install it on your own MetaTrader platform. The complete course with the indicator and Auto Trading EA will be available next year, but for a short time we're giving away the current version of the indicator for free, so make sure you grab it while you can. Okay, so let's get into it. Priceflip, detecting critical reversal points. Wouldn't it be great if you could sell the high and buy the low and do that repeatedly? Well, that's exactly what the priceflip indicator does. It doesn't do it perfectly every single time. No indicator can or ever will. It's not good to blindly take signals that any indicator provides you, but it certainly provides a good indication of what the market may do. So, a definition of a price flip. It's a candlestick pattern that identifies critical market reversal points. It's an indicator that shows momentum exhaustion levels and the likelihood of the price changing direction in the very near future. And it's a proven technical trading strategy that can be used on its own or combined with another core strategy. A buy-long price flip is a pattern of two consecutive down-close bars where the difference between the low and the close of the last bar is greater than the difference of the low and the close of its preceding bar. A sell-short price flip is a pattern of two consecutive up-close bars where the difference between the high and the close of the last bar is greater than the difference of the high and the close of its preceding bar. In other words, this wick is bigger than this wick. You've got two consecutive upward moves where the close has been higher than the open, and the difference of the high and the close is greater than the difference between the high and the close of this bar, and significantly so. So these definitions are quite simplistic, and there's a lot more to this strategy, but that's the basic core elements of it. So let's have a look at an example. What I've got here is the British pound on the 4-hour charts for November, the month we've just had. Here you can see two sell price flips provided, a really nice downward move, a warning here given by a price flip of a possible upward move, a consolidation pattern happening over this time with this buy and this sell, another buy coming into play here, and that took us right up this leg of the cycle, supported by this buy price flip here. We get a sell price flip right here, right when the market's about to flip. We didn't catch this giant move, but we did pick it up again at this point after this retracement for the next move up. So let's dissect the month of November for the British pound and have a little bit of a closer look at exactly what happened. First of all, we see these two sell price flips coming into play here. That's really expressing a reluctance of the market to move upward, as expressed by these big wicks that we're starting to see. We see a big move and then we see a retracement back. That's always showing that the market's a little insecure about the move in that particular direction. In this case, it worked fantastically for the price flip indicator, and we saw a really nice strong move downwards. Here we see the possible warning of a price flip to the upside, and in fact we see that consolidation pattern happening before another buy price flip was given here, and that then became the start of this nice new big move as supported by this buy price flip here. Here we see another sell price flip giving a warning of a possible downward move, and as we know, that's exactly what happened. So very basically, the settings with the indicator, if you choose to download it, is nice and flexible. It gives you the ability to adjust the minimum wick pips of the preceding bar, which is the first bar in the sequence. It gives you the ability to change the minimum amount of bars that you want to see on the last bar. In other words, you want to see that last bar that gives the price flip to be at least, in this case, 20 pips. Okay, it's obviously going to change depending on the time frames that you use. Less on the smaller time frames, bigger on the bigger time frames like the daily. But what we found is that it's nice and stable in the 4-hour charts. It does vary from currency to currency. We found it works best on the Euro, Pound, Aussie, Kiwi, and US Canadian. Here we see the minimum wick percentage, in this case 25%. We want to see a wick in that last preceding bar of 25%, and we want to see the wick of the preceding bar at least a certain percentage bigger than the prior bar, in this case 10%. You can choose to show or hide the buy arrows and the sell arrows. So for example, if you're happy with the current strategy that you're already using and you're really interested in getting in at a good entry point for a buy, then change the sell arrows to false and have only the buy show up on your chart, and that's going to give you, a bit of an indication that when you could possibly get into that buy that you're looking at. Alrighty, so implementing price flip. Practice identifying price flips with whatever strategy you're currently using. It is going to help with your trading, no matter what strategy you're using. Just being aware of another pattern that other traders are trading, and in this case showing a clear expression of a reluctance to go in a particular direction, can really play in your favor, both in the entry points and in the exit points. Use it to find good entry and exit points for optimal results with your trades, and of course download the indicator and the template to use on its own, or with another strategy. And finally, copy the signals with full trade management with the Traders Elite membership if you choose to. We'd love to have you on board, and we're very excited about the relaunch this coming week, which is the first time we've opened up the service to new members for quite some time. With that, of course, you get the benefit of not only price flip but the other strategies we use, and a team that is trading around the clock to ensure the best results for its members. Okay, so final thoughts. Use price flip in conjunction with macro levels and trend catcher. These are two awesome strategies. I'm going to be talking about them in the next videos, so make sure you check them out. Use price flip in conjunction with other core strategies you successfully use as well. It is going to assist. Anything that makes you more aware of the market is going to provide you a little bit more of an edge when you are trading the markets. Be a beta tester for our expert advisor. Would love to have you on board. It's going to auto trade the price flip strategy. We're fine-tuning it at the moment and going through some final testing and enhancements, and we'd love to have you as a beta tester for that. Connect with us on Facebook and Twitter. At Traders Elite is our tag, so come and say hello, and of course leave a comment. We love all feedback. Click that Facebook like button. We love you for liking us, and share with your friends. Of course, thank you very, very much for your time, for checking out the price flip indicator. Wish you lots of success with it, and I look forward to catching up with you in the next videos for macro levels and trend catcher.